In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change keybinds in DaVinci Resolve. By the end, you will have your own custom shortcuts that match how you like to work. Start by opening DaVinci Resolve. Once it loads, you will see the usual project manager or your last project. Go ahead and open any project because changing keybinds works the same no matter which timeline you are using. The main thing is that Resolve is fully open and you can see the menu bar at the top of the screen. Now click the DaVinci Resolve menu on macOS, or the Workspace or DaVinci Resolve menu, depending on your system and version, then choose Keyboard Customization. When the Keyboard Customization window opens, you will see a keyboard layout in the middle and a list of commands, usually on the right. If you ever close this window by mistake, just repeat this exact click path to bring it back. On Windows, you can also open this same Keyboard Customization window using a shortcut. Press Ctrl plus Alt plus K. After a moment, the same keyboard window appears, with the command list on the side and your current preset name usually shown at the top. Next up, look at the Commands panel. Here, make sure you select All Commands or choose a specific page such as Edit, Color, or Fairlight. Picking a specific page narrows the list down to tools used in that part of Resolve, which makes it easier to spot the command you want. If you are not sure which page it belongs to, All Commands is the safest choice. From there, use the search box to find the command you want to change. Click into the search field and start typing something like blade, ripple delete, or play. As you type, the list below filters in real time. A common beginner mistake is typing too many extra words, so try short names first, like blade instead of blade tool. Once you see your command in the filtered list, select the command, click it once, and it should highlight. On some versions, you will also see any existing shortcuts for that command listed just below or beside the keyboard graphic, which lets you confirm you grabbed the right one. After that, click the plus button, or click the current shortcut shown for that command, then press the new key combination you want. When you press the keys, you should see them appear immediately in the shortcut field. If nothing shows up, press the keys again a bit slower, making sure modifier keys like Control or Option are held down first. If that shortcut is already assigned, Resolve will warn you. A message appears telling you which command is currently using that combination. Here you can choose to replace the existing shortcut, which moves that keybind to your chosen command, or you can cancel and pick another key combo that is still free. Finally, click Save. When prompted, it is a good idea to save your changes as a new preset instead of overwriting the default layout, so you can always switch back later if needed. Give the preset a clear name that reminds you it is your custom setup. You have just created and saved your own custom keyboard shortcuts in DaVinci Resolve. If this helped you tune Resolve to your workflow, a quick thumbs up would be great, and feel free to subscribe for more Resolve tips.